Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. How we doing? Let's see, who do we got in here? We got David, HD, Ashley, Jersey Flips, Charles, Charlie, Xer, David, again, TRD, Jonathan, Michael, Roberto, Buxton, Joseph, Morrison, Maria, Diallo, I think is how you say it. And then Jeezy, good morning, and Jack. Awesome. So, I mean, the main thing I was interested in yesterday was the fact that SPY finally tested that daily 21 EMA. And we closed right on top of it. However, it looks like we dropped below it. So what is yesterday's low? 449.35. Let's see something real quick. All right, so we are trading below that low, yesterday's low. I can already say if I'm going to be looking for a reject, it's probably right up here. That's going to be my main area today. So let's start with ES. Then we'll head back on over to SPY, and then we'll go from there. Let me check the economic calendar real quick, what we got going on today. All right. Jobless claims, PMI, factory orders, ISM. So jobless claims at 8:30, PMI 9:45, factory orders and ISM at 10. Good morning. Yes, sir. Bootcamp day number 1 and 2 are both up. If you guys haven't seen them, definitely highly suggest going and watching them. Anyway, so zoom out to a higher time frame. 4-hour time frame will do. And then pivot low, pivot high. Just do that. There we go. Pivot low, pivot high. 44.96.53 is our area of interest. Again, that fib cluster we've been talking about. So 45.01 all the way down to that level. If we break below there, then we have an even higher probability bounce all the way down here. Good morning. Buenos dias. So those are going to be my bounces. Maybe if we came back up here towards this resistance zone that we had, that could be another area of interest. There to there, just this area right there. And then also that 1-hour 21 EMA that we discussed. Right here. So reject here or here. Bounce down here. So that's everything for ES. We're getting very close to that bounce, so I really want to keep a close eye on that. I would prefer that we just dump down and hit it. Let's see, SPY, this 451.50 level. It's going to be my level of interest. Again, reject 1-hour 21 EMA. If we hit it, hopefully we don't hit it in the pre-market. And then, let's see, pivot low. Smack that 50% retracement in the pre-market. Break below there, 445.38 is my next level. All right. Sorry, I'm like stuffed up this morning. But here's my bounce all the way down there, and then 442 if we break below that 448. And then reject around 450 to 450.25. So that's everything for SPY. QQQ. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know. Yep, the boot camp is going to be going on every day for 31 days. The entire month of August. And listen up, I'm even going to be on vacation. I don't think it's next weekend. I think it might be the following weekend. I'll be on vacation, but I'll still be dropping videos for it. Let's see. Pivot low, pivot high. I'm pretty sure we broke this. Yeah. Pivot low, pivot high, watch there. Pivot low, pivot high. Cool. So next bounce is going to be all the way down at 369.2. If we can get down there. Like this 375 to 375.32 for a read, or what is this? 375.18. Actually. Yeah, like 375 to 375.20, I think, has really good risk to reward. We already tested it in the pre-market or post-market, which I don't really like, but if we get up there during market hours, I'd be interested. And real quick, we got 214 people in here, so if you guys have not already, make sure to click that like button. If you want this watch list, we got to run it up to 225 likes. That is the goal for you guys to get the watch list. 225 likes for the watch list. I know you guys can do it. You do it every day. Boom. And now it's pinned. But yeah, bounces all the way down here. Possible reject, 375, 375.18. I believe we misprinted. Yes, we did. Okay, so we misprinted it into the other reject that I would have preferred to watch, that 1 hour 21 EMA. So we'll see. But that's everything on NQ, or not NQ, QQQ. Let's take a look at NQ. Get off of Robinhood. Highly suggest getting off of Robinhood. Use ThinkorSwim, use Webull, anything with a cash account, just not Robinhood. Hit it low, hit it high. We had a nice fib cluster there. I mean, it looks like that 15,000 is the last spot. So here. Cool. So 15,315. We got pretty close in the pre-market. And as far as rejects, this zone right here. Boom. And this is resistance. Cool. That is everything for SPY, ES, NQ, and QQQ. Let's take a look at some individuals and see what we're liking, what we're not liking. Then we're going to rock and roll. I'll tell you what, though. I'm sick and tired of this PayPal. Every earnings. As soon as we think PayPal is doing good, boom, earnings comes around. What do? Gap down. Sick and tired of these people. Oh well, I will still be a buyer in this thing. It's just very annoying. Anyways, all right, let's pull up this watch list. Also, I was able to catch a pretty nice trade yesterday on Caterpillar. That was part of the watch list. We caught it from this little 5-minute flag that we had right here, and we caught this move up. So, like a $2.50 move to the upside, give or take, 2 to 250. So, very nice trade there. Caught some other, miscellaneous trades, and then was able to catch a SPY bear flag a little later in the day for a move back down into the low a day. It was this right here, this little 5-minute flag that we had, and then was able to catch this, and I was done. But nothing too crazy yesterday. Anyway, let's see. I think Apple reports today. Yes, they do. Apple 193 reject actually doesn't look bad. 192.90. I actually kind of like that. We'll see. Apple. See, Airbnb don't care about. They report AI got smacked yesterday, stopped out the swing in profits. Still really like that daily setup. Just being a little bit of a pain to figure out if it wants to fire up or not. But there could be a second entry on this swing. Potentially. Just not right now. AMD. Clobbered. Jeez. Came right down to the bounce level though. If we go to the daily time frame, look at all this support. So let's actually do this. 107.2. I'd be interested if it came back down. Or I'd be even more interested in a reject around 111.35. So I like AMD. Let's take a look at Amazon. They report today. We could even chop today. We're going to have some big ER after hours. I think it's Apple, Amazon. I know there's a couple other big ones. Can't remember who. But Boeing only interested in bounces all the way down here, 227 and then 223. Just set alerts for the time being. Maybe it dumps. We can watch it. Baba, don't care about. Oh, it was Coin. Coin was one of them. But don't care about Coin. We're going to skip over that. Costco still in the equity. Google. Right towards the bounce. If you guys want to watch it, I'm personally not going to. IWM. Mara, we sold out of our swing yesterday. We were able to get some profits out of it, and then we stopped out. Not stopped out, but sold it like $11 under break even. So, or $11 under entry price. So, wasn't really liking it. Didn't realize that Coin reported earnings today, so I had a feeling that it was just going to sit here and wait for Coin. So, just bailed on it. Meta can break 309.80. Interested in the gap fill. So I like that a lot. And again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you guys want this watch list. Got running up 225 likes. We got 260 people in here and only 125 likes. You guys need 100 more. 100 more likes. And then you guys get it. I do want to take a look at CAT again, because I saw it in the pre-market. It still looks good. As long as it can hold this 1 hour 21 EMA, which was the area I was watching for a bounce, I actually like it a lot. Like it a lot. So, as long as it can hold, I will look for more upside on it. We looked at Google, we looked at Mara, we looked at Meta, we were on Microsoft. So Microsoft getting smacked. Yeah, I don't see a good bounce. Microsoft, if anything, it looks like it's trying to do a head and shoulders. But nothing on Microsoft. Nothing on Netflix. NVIDIA is getting smacked. Only bounce I see is all the way down there. You don't buy TLT. TLT is not something you necessarily want to own. 70.3. I mean, I'd be interested if it pumped into 70. I just don't know if PayPal would be able to do that. So let's skip over that. QQQ. Roku, interested if it gets, it would need a pretty hard pullback for me to be interested, but towards like 83, I would like to see. But as of now, nothing. Couldn't even watch. Let's see, let's go back to the 1 hour. Couldn't even watch this low to high. We do have a nice fib cluster, so same thing, 83 would be the main area I'm interested in. So probably just wait. And then, let's see, Shopify. Reported earnings, got smacked. Snow. Don't care about. SPX. Where are we trading at? I don't know if we broke the 4,500, but I'd be interested in that. for a possible reject, and then we actually got some gaps that could be filled. Got some nice downside gaps on SPX. Orange, boom. Then we had another one there to there. Cool. So yeah, we do. Maybe if we open below 4,500 on SPX, we could look for it to come back up and retest it as resistance, and then look for puts, and then potentially get some gap fills. Yep, remember all of last year we used TLT to understand when the next leg down was coming in the market. So when I made the video a few weeks ago, hold on, let's get through the rest of this real quick. SQ, they report today. Tesla, I mean, 250. Just bounced super close to it. Skip over that, and then UPSC was the final one. So 50, I mean 63.29. Anyway, so all of last year when we used TLT to understand when the next leg down in the market was coming, if we pull up a daily time frame, literally go watch the old videos, go look at the tweet that I put up about this. If we look, every single time there was a bear flag last year, TLT broke before SPY, days before SPY, and then SPY gave the next leg down. Bear flag here. Bear flag. I thought I saw another one up here. No. So bear flag there, bear flag there, bear flag there, bear flag there. Every single time TLT broke down first, and you can go compare the charts, SPY and TLT. TLT always hinted first that the next leg down was coming. So what I brought up is the fact that TLT has just sat in this range, while SPY and QQQ have climbed back towards all-time highs. Could I be completely wrong? Of course, right? But this is just what I am seeing with the bonds, is that the bonds are not doing what the market is doing. So we consolidate, we finally broke below, we gap down, we gap down, we gap down again. Also have this gap fill all the way down into 95, which I think we might have filled in the pre-market. But that is something I would keep your eye on. We got pretty close to filling the gap, actually. But, yeah, just something to keep on your radar. All right, what time is it? 8:25. We got job reports in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. What you guys thinking today? Pump, dump, sideways? 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions while we're sitting here waiting? Also take a look at Dixie. Yeah, that's still pumping too. So bounce at that psychological 100s, having a nice push up. TLT down, Dixie up. Typically SPY and QQQ will go down. We'll get to those a little later if we have time. Right now we're just waiting on the news to drop. Again, what I like today, SPY, QQQ, Apple, AMD, Meta, and Caterpillar. Yeah, I think it might be a little choppy today, but we'll see. Market could offer us some really nice opportunity. We shall see. What do we got? 4 minutes. Actually, 3 minutes. I use multiple time frames: 4 hour, 1 hour, daily, 5-minute, 10-minute intraday, 15-minute intraday. But typically higher time frames is what I use to get levels. It's probably something that they said in the earnings report. To be honest with you, I don't really pay too much attention to the earnings. I just watch and see how price reacts. Gotta know when enough is enough. I took 4 trades by the time I was done yesterday. I think it was like 11:30. Could I have sat here and continued to trade until 4 o'clock? Of course I could have. But did I want to? Absolutely not. I already took 4 trades. There's no reason to keep sitting here trading. I was already green for the day. There's no reason to get profits back. If you're up $300 trading and you're going to take another trade, then use not even half of your profits, or don't even risk half of your profits. Risk maybe like a quarter if you're going to take another trade. No, I'm actually going to trade on the small account today, more than likely. I just haven't really been trading on it, and then I had issues with the OBS studio where it would freeze like 30-40 minutes in. But I think I'm actually going to trade on it today. Of course. I enjoy the boot camp. Thoughts on straddles? I don't do them personally. Just not a strategy I like. Yes, I always use extended hours in my analysis. If you're ignoring the pre-market and post-market data, you're missing out on a lot of valuable information that we can use. Hey, he's green on the year for SPX. I'm happy for him. My man. How many likes we got? 175 likes, 340 people in here. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you want this watch list. We need 225 likes. So you guys need 50 more if you want this watch list. 50 more likes. I know you guys can do it. What do we got? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I wasn't able to be there for Umar, but I hope you guys get, or I hope he gave you guys a fire class. I'm gonna watch it later. Umar is a goat. What would I do if I lost $69,000 in a trade? You'd probably see me curled up in a ball in the corner, not moving for a couple days. On the real though, props to Jadon for coming back from that. What is the news? Keep forgetting that I have Benzinga Pro. Just use that. Let's see the numbers. All right. Labor cost, productivity 3.72, expected negative 2.1. 227,000, 227,000, right on the money. 1.7, 1.7, right on the money. Alrighty. Let's see what we got going on. Give this a couple minutes and then I think we're ready to rock and roll. Cool. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right, looks like they're selling off the news. Mainly Twitter, but they just hooked me up with Benzinga Pro. Cool. Well, let's go back through this watch list. Apple. Again, very interested in Apple if it can pump up into 192.88. It's a very nice level for a reject if it can get up there. But we'll see with that. AMD, same thing. Really interested up at that 111.25. I just don't know if it's going to be able to get up there. Meta. This is definitely going on the watch list today, actually. Definitely going on the watch list. Alrighty. Meta. I'm always going to call it Twitter. I think calling it X is weird. Meta. Really? $80. Dang, we got 350 people in here today. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, so we got Meta, Caterpillar. Actually, we can look at Carvana. Oh, they report. I don't care. They report. I like that 1 hour squeeze. It finally retested the 1 hour 21 EMA. We're trading above highs. We're in consolidation. Not the best daily candle. I think I really want to, I feel like I want to put this on the watch list today. It actually held up relatively nice yesterday, too, compared to SPY and QQQ. Hey, can we hit 250 likes today? Huh? 250? Hey, can we do that? Yeah, I know you guys can do that. If you guys saw my face cam in the morning, you'd turn around the other way and run away. I wake up, either go to the gym or chill before I hop on the live stream. I look like a disaster in the morning. But Caterpillar is probably on watch. We will see. All right. What are we feeling today? I mean, there's a lot of really nice rejects on watch. Could the market pump? Of course. If the market pumps, hey, I'm going to look for calls. I prefer that. But again, if you want to watch Apple, 192.9 isn't bad. AMD 111.34 isn't bad. If we can get up there. We're going to throw Caterpillar. I think we're going to watch 5 stocks today. Which typically I don't do. Also, I want to look at Palantir, actually. Do they report? When do they report? The 7th, next week, I think that is. Yeah, Monday. All right. Let's get Caterpillar on the list. If you're trading something that the spreads are wide, you're gonna have to use smaller size. At least that's what I do. The reason why we got out of Caterpillar so quick yesterday is because when it would push, the spreads would tighten. Typically, you'll see this with spreads. When it goes in your favor, it will tighten up really quick, but when it pulls, that's when those spreads get wide. So always use smaller size if it has a wide spread. All right, let's see, Caterpillar. Still interested. More upside. Still up. Typically well. We'll be watching this very closely for an uptrend entry. Boom, there's Caterpillar. I mean, I would really like a $4 drop. I will take that. I think 450, 150 is going to be our area to watch. 450, 150, like 452. .28, I think is what it says. .37. Cool, there's SPY. Hey, we hit the 250 like goal. I like it. Largest profit on a trade was 32,000 and some change. SPY, QQQ. $369. See, it already hit the reach, or it did that stupid little misprint. I hate that it does that. But like 375 to 375.18, I'm pretty interested in for a reject. And then 369.2, 367.50. Alrighty. QQQ reject at 375 to 375.2. Reject at 369.2. Or not reject, bounce. No, the Tesla was 9,000. It was like 9,050, I think, something like that. Bounce at 369.2. That was funny though. Literally in 10 contracts for Tesla. Back when Tesla was trading at like in the thousands. Accidentally in 10 puts, not even realizing it. I tried to buy it, buy puts on like a scalp down, and then ThinkorSwim was being super weird that day. My orders weren't going through, and I tried canceling it and then doing it again and then closing out my ThinkorSwim, and I guess both orders went through. And sure enough, I'm sitting there with 10 Tesla puts. Again, back when Tesla was trading at multiple thousands, and it literally just tanked the entire day. And I had no clue I was in this position. Literally no clue. So that could have been very, very bad. Fortunately, it was very good. I forgot about that. That's funny that you brought that up. Bounce at 369.2 or 367.59. Bang, there's QQQ. Let me see if I can find this GME screenshot. Let's see. Hold on, everybody. What's your favorite setup today, ladies and gentlemen? Anybody got a favorite setup? Did you guys just hear that door slam by accident? Got the windows open. Scared the hell out of me. There's the video of the live login for the GME. Where is the picture? Let's take a picture of it. Hold on. 1 second, ladies and gentlemen, and then you guys are going to get this watch list. I also have that time where that SPY 380 call was executed on me and I owed Robinhood 38,000. Good times being a trader. Good times. SPY QQQ, I like it. I like it, I like it. All right, I got it. Have I ever traded using AI? Absolutely not. Have I traded the stock AI? Yes. Have I traded using AI? Absolutely not. All right. As you can see right there in the screenshot, okay to trade, live account, literally have a live login video. So, okay to trade, you can see GME, PL open, 32,643. And then there's the my TikTok. So that was my biggest win. Again, okay to trade, 32,000. Boom. Anyways. All right, let's get you guys this watch list for today. How many likes we got? How many likes we got? I know we hit 250. Did we go any higher? 268. You guys are killing it today. All right, fine. I guess I'll give you guys a watch list. I'll be nice. I will be nice. All right. First one is going to be Meta. Again, very interested in this gap fill. Oh yeah, and real quick, as always, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Meta. Next one is Caterpillar. Again, I might end up watching AMD. We'll see. But Caterpillar, still want to keep this on watch. If it tanks, then I don't really care about it. But for Caterpillar, I'm going to watch for an uptrend entry, possibly. And then we got SPY with the rejects and bounces. And then we got QQQ with the reject and bounces as well. Boom. So that is the watch list today. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you guys tune in every single morning at 8 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys have them bell notifications on because bootcamp day number 3 will be uploaded tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely make sure you guys are here for that. Keep me company in the live streams because if you don't join, I'm going to be very lonely and I'll be sad if you don't join. So join and keep me company. And then finally, if you haven't already, make sure to pick up my book. Jeez. Make sure to pick up my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon. Get prepared for book number 2. This book is 450 pages, goes through a lot of my overall strategy, stuff that is not covered in the bootcamp. I just want to make that very clear. What's going to be covered in my first book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, and my second book, The New Age of Day Trading, is not going to be covered in the bootcamp. So completely different material. So definitely make sure you guys check it out, The New Age of Technical Analysis on Amazon using this link right here. But again, make sure you guys are subscribed. And yeah, I am ready for the day. So as long as you guys are good, I'm good. Yep, it's on this channel at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Second book is coming out sometime this month, hopefully, or very early September. To get in the book Discord, if you do have the books, send me a DM on Instagram. I got a bunch of them yesterday that I have to get back to. So if I haven't answered, it's because I got a lot of DMs. So just bear with me. But yeah, that is everything for today. As always, I hope everybody has an amazing day. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. If you're in Team Bull, talk to you guys in 10 minutes. Other than